Study at university located Canada, Ontario. Main campus. Now available for international students in Canada, Ontario. All master's programs are eligible for study loans. Powered by Parrot Canada. Visa Consultant Company. Limited master's degree programs. Available for study loan support. Academic and professional programs. 1. MA in English Language, Literature, and Creative Writing. 2. Master of Applied Science, MASc in Civil Engineering. 3. Master of Applied Science, MASc in Electrical Engineering. 4. Master of Applied Science, MASc in Environmental Engineering Specializations. 5. Meng in Civil Engineering. 6. Meng in Electrical and Computer Engineering. 7. Meng in Environmental Engineering. 8. Meng in Industrial Engineering. And Meng in Mechanical Engineering, Automotive. 10. Meng in Mechanical Engineering Management and Technology. 11. Master of Engineering Management, MEM. 12. Master of Engineering Management Online. 13. Master of Management, MM. Data Analytics, new and in demand. 14. Master of Applied Economics and Policy, MAEP, new and high impact. Cohort-based master's programs, fast-track your career. 15. Master of Management. 16. Master of Business Administration. 17. Master of Education, course-based. 18. Master of Actuarial Science. 19. Master of Medical Biotechnology. 20. Master of Applied Computing. 21. Master of Engineering. 22. Master of Engineering. Automotive PhD programs, lead with innovation. 1. Doctor of Philosophy, PhD, Civil Engineering. 2. Doctor of Philosophy, PhD, Electrical Engineering. 3. Doctor of Philosophy, PhD, Environmental Engineering. 4. Doctor of Philosophy, PhD, Industrial and Manufacturing Systems Engineering. 5. Doctor of Philosophy, PhD, Mechanical Engineering. 6. Doctor of Philosophy, PhD, Engineering Materials. Why apply through Parrot Canada Visa Consultant Company Limited? Authorized partner for international university. 100% guidance through admission, visa, and loan. Process study. Loan available for all master's programs in Canada, Ontario. Personalized support from application to arrival. Start your application today. Email infos@visaconsultantcanada.com. Phone +1 431 302 0226. Website www.visaconsultantcanada.com.